Hey everybody, welcome to Moments of Adventure with Dale and Leanna. We are on our way to Spearfish, South Dakota. That's right everybody, we're going to the Black Hills. We are camping at a KOA. By the way, if you sign up for a KOA membership, which is free, you get 10% off every stay. Alright, we are getting ready to go for a ride, but before we take off, I thought I'd show you our campsite. Beautiful campsite. KOA, you did it this time. This is probably one of two of the best ones we've stayed at. The other one was at a casino in Durant, Oklahoma. But very clean, and then they have this huge open space. Pool is empty. Well, it's closed. 9 feet deep. But on with our adventure. If you're with us in our last video, you know that we blew the clutch up in the Razor. We had a Dura clutch, which is an aftermarket clutch that we usually run, and this time we have replaced it with a different clutch, back to OEM with a clutch kit. So I'm very interested to see how it is on the trails. So we've really never taken you around the Razor, have we? We're on 32-inch tires, we got a winch, we got a windshield. We got harnesses. We do have a two-way radio, a rugged radio. We have a trunk where I'm going to throw my stuff in that I can't open. We got a roof that's dented because Leanna laid it on its side.
Never. Leanna doesn't lay it on its side.
We got all these scratches because it got laid on its side. We do run Idaho plates because you can't get license plates in Colorado, but you can get a non-resident license plate in Idaho, which allows us to go on the road in places like Oklahoma, Utah, Arizona, and South Dakota. So we are going to ride south of Spearfish. So on the way back, if we want to do that, we can do Spearfish Canyon in the side-by-side.
About this farm stand is you can pick your own herbs. How cool is that? You just have them growing out there in a little patch. Super cute. Pumpkins look amazing. But I'd like to find like a farmer pumpkin. I think they might be cheaper. Anyway, cool farm stand in Spearfish. It's a lovely day in South Dakota.
Nice.
Found a little patch of like flaming red trees which were down in that canyon. So pretty.
I have no idea. Comment below if you know how that happened.
It's almost like a sinkhole or something.
Yeah, I think too much water or something got in it. We are in Spearfish Canyon, and we're getting ready to turn around and go back home, or back to the campsite. But kind of want to show you guys the 62-inch trail designation. So if you see here, they have these gates, and the trails are only meant for UTVs or ATVs that are 62 inches or less. Now, I'm going to show you here in a minute. We actually fit through the gates, and I thought I was wider than that, and I think I'm about 65 inch outside of tire to outside of tire, because we fit with plenty of room. It's raining.
When you get out and get stuck in the rain. Parker dude is feeling the pain over there.
At least we have a roof. I'm wet. So yeah, Deadwood was fun. We took a back forest road all the way to Deadwood from Spearfish, which was kind of neat.
A lot of cute little gaming, casinos, some little shopping. It's a cute little town. I really like Deadwood. We went there during Sturgis, if you've seen that video. We covered Deadwood a little bit, but we went back. We stopped and gambled a little bit.
I lost money.
Sorry for your luck, sir.
Leanna did not. She won.
Okay, I'm going to say I won a little bit this time. Not a huge amount, like $20. But I'm excited about $20 when you win. Anytime you win, it's a good day.
And then on the way back, we actually took Spearfish Canyon. It's
Yes.
Roughlock Falls. It's just to the west of Spearfish Canyon on Forest Road 222.
There's a couple little parking areas, and then you have to walk the hike. Not fall and trip. It's like a secret garden.
It's not difficult trails, but beautiful, beautiful scenery. For trail maps, we use the MVUM National Forest, which is the motor vehicle use map. And interesting in South Dakota is they designate it by single track, which is, you know, motorcycle, and then they have full width vehicle, which is like Jeeps and things like that, and then they have what they call 62 inch and narrower. Now in Colorado we have 50 inch and narrower, and I know there's no way we can fit in that, but I didn't think we were going to be able to fit in a 62 inch.
We did.
But they had gates, and we were able to go through. I think I measure at 65 outside of tire, so they must add a little cheater in there to help us out. A lot of 62 inch and narrower trails. Those were kind of fun. Those were neat.
Yes. If you have great trails in your area, please put them in the comments below, because we need to expand our repertoire of trail riding areas. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And we are on our way to 1,000, so make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up on the video.
Thanks, everybody. Put your head on my shoulders.
Okay.
I wish
You're
we.
pulling an Eric Church with your finger.
I wish we got commitment. I like Wyoming.
Are we still in Wyoming?
Where else would we be?
South Dakota?
I think we're in Wyoming.
How much longer are we in Wyoming?
Old Woman Creek.
There's no water in Old Woman Creek.
No, Old Woman usually try.
PC Dale. PC!
That ain't right.
That ain't right.
That ain't right. We need an air horn.
You got horn envy?
No.
That is a very good example of a horrible idea. You didn't wave.
No.
I like your effort though.
He had a.
Oh.
What you doing?
Well,
Putting your phone?
I was going to send that to Chris and Jen.
Love the
Colorado
grass.
grass is green just for a small little window.
2 hours in July.
I don't know, this may be a blonde moment for myself, but turkeys fly.
Ba-do-boom!